This is just a cautionary tale. This little helicopter looks all very innocent and well-being, but just be warned, it can lead to this. Right, so you start with something like this and you think, well, I need something a bit bigger. So of course, the obvious next step, something a little bit bigger, a bit more interesting, a bit faster. And you go to the next one, a bit bigger, again, same story. And what's next? Well, mosquitoes. Okay, quadcopters, multi-rotors. That's alright, they fly pretty well, but you know, they're pretty small motors and underpowered and trying to get into the hobby grade stuff. So then you build a multi-rotor and put a gimbal on it. But you know, this particular multi-rotor, the arms are a bit wobbly and a bit shaky, so you need something a bit better. So you build something with GPS, gimbals and carbon, nice and stiff, gives you good aerial photography. And of course at this point you're thinking, right, I've done all that, now what's next? Well, you need to do a bit of acrobatics. So you build 330. And well, you're a bit scared to try and flip that, and so you need something a little bit smaller that's not going to cost you a fortune to repair. So you build a 250. So then you learn to flip that, and you flip that, and you flip that and that. Anyway, these ones, well, they've only got 6 propellers. So you build this. Meanwhile, the bank manager's getting a bit concerned. This was somewhere along the line, I can't remember, the old SK50, SK450. This is where I learned to flip actually with the KK hard case. Of course, then you want to do FPV, so you build up an FPV model. And of course, anyone who's worth their salt has always got a project in the making. An Alien 560, which has been extended to a 660. So this is my cautionary tale. If you get one of these little things for Christmas, just stick with that. Thanks for watching.